Podio is a great way to organize, communicate, and get work done with your team. It's a flexible platform designed to help structure your work process, manage tasks, and organize your data within a social, collaborative space. Now, you can use your ShareFile account to sign into Podio. ShareFile's secure data storage and strong user management can save you precious time on your projects. Visit the sign-in page and enter your ShareFile credentials to get started. Your Podio account consists of 3 major parts. Your account and organization is made up of a variety of workspaces. Multiple workspaces allow you and your team to work on various tasks in an organized manner. An individual workspace contains apps. Think of apps as a means of creating and organizing different types of work activity, whether it's your meetings, deliverables, contacts, or whatever you may be working on. You can even create your own app from scratch. Those apps contain items, which are the core of Podio. An individual item organizes your work and helps you get things done. Based on your app settings, your items can have a wide variety of fields and information. While that is a quick description of what Podio is, what you can do with it is so much more. Let's take a look at a project management workspace and how ShareFile makes getting work done nice and smooth. Here, we've organized our work into various apps where we can create and manage items. After signing in with your ShareFile account, working with your ShareFile users and files is quick and easy. For example, let's say we need to invite one of our fellow ShareFile users to this particular space. From the invitation menu, the ShareFile tab automatically loads the employee users on my ShareFile account. Inviting them to my workspace takes only a few clicks. If you would like to modify which users appear in this menu, or you would like to add additional users to your ShareFile account, you will need to sign in to your ShareFile account and manage your users there. I can easily access the files I have stored on my ShareFile account whenever I need them. For example, if I'm working on a new project item and would like to add a file currently stored in my ShareFile account, that file is readily accessible in the ShareFile tab. Simply find the file in ShareFile and add it. One of the most powerful aspects of Podio is the ability to customize your app templates to fit whatever work you are trying to accomplish. Use this menu to make adjustments to tailor the fields and requirements as you see fit. Podio and ShareFile, working together to streamline your work and drive your business forward. If you'd like more information on Podio, check out these links. Thanks for watching.